beautiful, beautiful, beautiful process, and I will share more about it with you right after this. Yes, I have been collecting Pandora for about 8 years now, and I'll give you a quick see of my personal bracelet and that of my children's, which I also encourage them to have a mini collection of their own. And yeah, so what kickstarted my Pandora obsession was this really, really, really pretty Murano glass charm that was gifted to me by a very, very dear friend just before I left Singapore for the UAE about 8 years ago. And thereafter I started collecting more and more charms, and I needed 2 bracelets to hold them all. And my collection is primarily bought from Singapore, the UAE, Australia, and America. And yeah, so this is actually my number 1 favorite. I love to collect angels, and as you can see, because my name is Angela, yes, I'm Angela Lee Pickard, by the way, yes, and I like to collect angels, and there are quite a few angels. And another favorite of mine are little heart shapes. Yeah, I really love heart shapes. So mine is a silver and gold tone theme with a bit of pearls, because you know every lady loves pearls, right? And yeah, I even have this little Pandora passport. Yeah, and so this one is my ultimate favorite. This little heart shape was gifted, I think it was Mother's Day if I'm not mistaken. So these are butterflies, because I do love butterflies. So those are the gold tone theme, and this one's actually enamel. It was pure white, but it's kind of like yellowed with age. Yeah, so and yeah, so I started off with this one. Oh, sorry, this one, and this one has the angel wings and A for my initial. This one is my favorite, Star of David. These are the Murano glass. This bracelet is the Murano glass. Okay, and yeah, and another one of my favorites is this tree of life. It's so pretty. It's got a tree, a leaf, a little green stone, and a little dove actually here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, it's a little dove. Okay, so these are my collection, and I just stacked them up. I love to stack them up, so I would yeah, just do that. And it's really easy, just click it up. Yeah, first thing first. Oh, hang on, I need to adjust the extender. Hang on. Okay, so I got the first bracelet in. I had to adjust the safety chain. So you have to make sure your safety chain is sort of like adjusted inside, because sometimes it does kind of like curl out towards the end here, and then you can't clip your bracelet. So I like to wear mine like this. You know, it's like a stackable. I did contemplate getting a rose gold one, but it was a little bit too pinkish for my liking, and so I just stuck with the gold and the silver theme. So there you go. So that's how I do it. You know, a mixture of gold, silver, white, and yeah, and that pretty orange one from my friend. So this is my Murano glass collection, and these are my little angel and pearl collection. So at present, that's mine, my own collection. And after I started collecting my charms, I wanted to get for both my girls their own special charm, because it's a very memorable moment when you collect your charms from any occasion or from your trips. So let's start with my older daughter's collection. Her name is Maitia. She's now 23, but she started her collection when she was about 15. And hers is, as you can see, they both have 2 each as well. So hers, oh sorry, this is, sorry, that's Caitlin's. Let's do with Maitia. So this is Maitia's collection. Hers is, as you can see, it's empty for Maitia. And hers, she loves turquoise and blue, and she got her collection here. Yeah, and this is, yeah, you know, we all love, and she has like an aeroplane because we all love aeroplanes and flying. Mine was a passport. Yeah, and this was her second collection. This one is a bangle bracelet, not the softer one that's sort of like kind of mold to your wrist. This is the hard bangle, and she got one pretty cute one. I think it was from Vegas. It's a Disney collection. It's a little chariot with sparkles and a bit of gold. And so hers is this is her pink collection, and this is her blue collection, and her pink one also has the Murano glass. Yeah, so this is daughter number 1. That's her collection. And then there's also daughter number 2. Same thing. She has her initials CL, and we all love crosses, and because we are Christians. And hers is a purple theme because she loves purple, and white are her favorite colors. Look at her little mittens, they're so cute. These are little mittens, yeah. And her collection, the one that she got from Vegas, was this little tiara as well. So the ones from Vegas are like limited edition, yeah. So pretty. Yeah, so here she has her little suitcase for travels. And then she has a blue collection as well. Yeah, so I think she got, yeah, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, this is her little Mickey from the Disneyland collection. So pretty. Alrighty, so would I recommend you to collect Pandora charms if you're interested? Definitely, because you know, it's memorable, it's special, and I actually got birthday gifts for my mom, my sister-in-law, and my auntie to start off their collection as well. And yeah, it's a little bit costly, I must admit. Each charm can cost from $50 to $150. Obviously, the ones that are gold and silver do cost a little bit more, around the $150 mark. The plain stainless silver ones will be anywhere from $50 to $100. And yeah, if you wanted to go to for the gold charms, they'll probably be about $500 Singapore dollars. I'm talking about per charm. Yeah, I did not go there because if I wanted to buy gold, I would rather buy gold jewelry from fine jewelry from Tiffany's or Cartier or Bulgari, you know. Yeah, with Pandora, I just stuck with the stainless steel and a little bit of gold accents for some of them. And yeah, for sure, it is a happy time to collect each and every charm. I can't remember exactly where all my charms, the specific place where I bought them or for the occasion, but all I know is that I'm very happy when I do wear them. So I recently got them polished. Prior to this, I used to send it to the store, a Pandora store in Abu Dhabi, and they would take it in and they would give it a good polishing. You do have to polish your Pandora every few years, and yeah, so I bought the jewelry care kit, which was about 100 dirhams. It does come with a brush and a little polishing cloth, and I also bought extra polishing cloth just for you know, weekly or monthly maintenance, just giving it a polish. So the care kit, I would use it, you know, maybe every 6 months or a year from now on, and this one every month. Try and wear your Pandora once in a while. You know, I do keep mine away for a bit, and they get a bit oxidized, and you know, the color gets a bit grayish and not so, and lacks its luster. So yeah, so I will be showing you the video hereafter about how to polish it. It's quick, it's easy, it's effective. So this morning the Pandoras are going for a deep cleaning. It's my first time using the jewelry care kit. Comes with a little brush and a polishing cloth. I normally just use the polishing cloth to give it a bit of a wipe, but it's been about 3 years since I got them properly polished by the Pandora store. Unfortunately, they no longer do that for the customers, so Pandora number 1 is going in for her deep clean. So they told me just to pop it in for about 2 minutes or so and give it a good wash and a polish after that. So let's see how she goes. Be back. Okay, so it's just been about slightly over 2 minutes. The Pandora is coming out, and I'll be putting her in some warm water. There we go. Give it a good rinse, and yeah, giving her a polish. Let's see how she looks. It's coming out of the warm water. Oh, she actually does look pretty shiny. Yeah, she looks kind of shiny. So they say give it a good pet dry. Give it a good pet dry. And you can start polishing it with the cloth. Okay, so the inside with the white bit. And wow, I am kind of impressed. She's looking kind of brand new again. So you have to go bead by bead. Go bead by bead. Okay, I'll see you in a bit when she's completed. So here's a quick comparison. You probably can't see as much as myself because of the lighting, but the one on the left has just been cleaned, and the bracelet is a couple of shades lighter. The silver is more obvious, where the one on the right that hasn't been cleaned is a bit dull. So I give this polishing kit a thumbs up. So Pandora, yay or nay? Definitely a yay. Yeah. I love it. I cherish it. And I'm sure my daughters cherish their collection too. So if you want it, if you want to collect it, go for it. It may not be the best value for money, but definitely the memories, the happiness that you get from buying and collecting and, you know, the special moments, it's worth more than money. So yes, I would highly recommend those who are interested in buying Pandora charms, bracelets, do it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Do comment down below if you have any comments. Show me your collection. Tell me any great tips on how to care for them if you know of it. And yeah, do subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more fashion tips, health tips, beauty tips too. Okay, we'll see you. Bye bye.